This legendary taste has created a demand that the island simply cannot handle. If you want to see the sad reality in full HD, you only have to look at June 2025, the 50th anniversary of KFC in Jamaica. To celebrate, the franchise offered a massive discount deal. What was meant to be a celebration turned into a national security crisis. Lines started forming from 4 a.m. By midday, branches in Spanish Town, Savalamar, and halfway through were under siege. People were breaking glass doors. Fights broke out over who was next in line. In some areas, police had to be called in with riot gears just to manage a bucket deal.
The type of crowd politicians hope for at polling stations. But there's no wish for ink on fingers here, just grease.
Could you imagine that? But why? Why such desperation for fast food?